I was just getting set.
Okay, are you set now?
I'm set now.
Sure. Hi everybody, Paula here with our husband Rick from Goes to 11 Media, and we are doing another Grounds for Divorce coffee bean review.
What are we doing today, Paula?
We are doing some Spirit Bear Coffee Company, and we're doing 2 dark roasts.
Yes, and this is our third in the series, and the final one. They've been really good. I'm looking forward to trying these as well. All the other ones have been home run hits.
Yeah.
I've really enjoyed them. So, all right. So let's just, for those who may have missed the first couple episodes, let's explain a little bit about Spirit Bear.
Spirit Bear is located in Port Coquitlam, and they started back in 2006. And one of the most wonderful things that they do is support their community with
Lots of stuff.
Yes.
Like the list is long and wide what these folks do, and it's they're environmentally conscious. They're also socially conscious. So there's a lot of different things that they're doing, which I think just top marks to you guys. Thank you very much for all the stuff that you do. And I'm also very impressed with their packaging and all the rest. The artwork is phenomenal. The First Nations artwork that they've got and the connection to their First Nation heritage. It's amazing. So
yes, you must go onto their website and then read up on their artist. There's some
very cool history there.
Very good history.
And we're not talking about just an artist who is working out of their basement kind of a scenario. We're talking about somebody who's done high level art. And I've always been a space buff, and I was quite surprised when I was reading that one patch that was done for one of the space shuttle missions. I think it was.
Yes.
I believe it was a space shuttle. It was a space mission.
Yes.
So very cool. This person, this gentleman has done some great work. So, all right, moving into the coffee. Now this gets into another area of art. Now,
oh, you're going to criticize
no.
me.
Speaking of space, I mean, let's see if I can get this on camera. Speaking of space, that looks like it's something out of the outer space nebula galaxy. That's what you're going for, right?
Oh, absolutely. Just don't look at the other one.
This one,
Too many bubbles.
it looks like the moon. You're continuing with the space theme.
I wasn't continuing anything over there.
All right, so let's hit it.
Okay, let's try.
This one here, the pour over first.
This is the Thunderbird, and it's like a medium dark French roast. Nice. I can definitely taste cocoa in there. And a bit nutty.
Really, really good. I like this. This is not harsh at all. Like it's quite surprising. Like I actually could take that and drink a cup. Do you know what I mean? Like, which is quite surprising for me.
Yeah. It's not, the acidity is super low. It's not bitter. And he's going for it.
Yeah. Like I could actually, that's a first for me.
Wow.
That is a first for me. Hi Pops. And my dad's looking down going, oh, it's about time.
You like the lighter roasts usually.
Yeah, but that's really tasty. I could actually handle drinking that. That's me.
Okay.
You got a bit of a mess on the table. I got my wolf napkin. Everybody who knows me knows I love bowls.
Very pretty. Now you just ruined it.
I just ruined it. They make more.
Okay.
All right, what do we got here?
This is Orca, and it is a medium dark. And actually, I just realized I made a mistake. The French roast is a dark roast, not a medium dark. It's
This
the
one?
Orca. Yeah. So this is an actual dark.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow, now a whole new flavor profile out of this one. A little stronger taste to it to me. But it's interesting to me how flavors can be You're going down the road and all of a sudden, bing, and it shoots off to another direction. This one kind of does that from that. They taste significantly different. Mm-hmm. I don't know if that makes sense to you or not, but
absolutely, it's a lighter.
Mm-hmm. I would say it's close between the two, but I don't know, man. I was kind of digging on this one here. They're so different, and I think it comes down to everybody has a different flavor palette that they like. This is very good as well, but I'm jumping to that one if I was going to drink a cup of coffee black. Mm-hmm. All right, very good. Mm-hmm. Let's hit the next one. So what do we got? This is the latte of the what is it one again?
This is Thunderbird.
Thunderbird, yeah.
So this is the French roast.
And what did you make this with today?
I made it with 2% Natrel lactose-free milk, dairy.
I don't know if you guys can tell, but I love this stuff. It's so good. That's really good.
It is excellent.
And then this one here. Yeah, they're both good. This one has a different flavor palette. Delicious again. But if I'm going to choose my favorite, I'm going to choose this one.
The Thunderbird.
Yeah. They're both really good. There's nothing wrong with either of them. But I'm going to choose which one would I jump to. I'd jump to the Thunderbird. Yeah, that's delish.
Mm-hmm. This is lighter. It finishes faster. That one has a nice mouthfeel to it.
Yeah, I would say that it
has more.
It's more rounded. Mm-hmm. But they're both good. They're both really good.
Yeah.
They really are. Mm-hmm. They're just, I think, from a certain perspective, it's kind of, I guess you have to, if you're comparing oranges, and I can't even say comparing an apple to an orange because that would be an incorrect assessment of it. But if you're comparing, let's say, for example, a navel orange to the little mandarin oranges, whatever, they're both oranges. They both have an orange peel, but just a completely different flavor palette to them. Mm-hmm. They're just different. And so, these are both, again, really, really very good. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I've been pretty impressed with their coffee. It's been very enjoyable.
I'm impressed with their coffee and I'm impressed with the company.
Yeah.
I am. I really am. Good people. So, now we did have something real quickly here. There was, I'll see if I can get this to go onto a graphic and put it in the video behind me here. 51 scientific reasons why coffee is healthy. Now, it's interesting because obviously, number one, it wakes you up. Well, yeah, that'd be probably pretty healthy, especially if you're getting into a car to drive. Improves your focus. Yeah, I can see that. Makes you smarter. Smarter. Oh, makes you smarter. I need more coffee. There you go. Improves good cholesterol. Reduces inflammation. One of the lowest calorie drinks. Well, yeah, true when you're having it this way. Not like this. And especially not with the 3.25 or whatever it is that we usually use. It's a little fattier.
But we don't use sugar.
We don't. We don't. Lowers risk of stroke in women.
I guess not men. Ha!
Well, it just depends if the men are drinking coffee with the women or not. Sorry.
You just like to...
Lower stress. Oh, not at this moment, it don't. I better drink more. Stimulates hair growth. No, that's a lie. Straight up. That's just a falsehood. Or unless I'm supposed to be washing my head with the coffee, I don't know. So
I'll save the coffee grinds for you.
May add years to your life. Depends on how many more of these segments we're doing. I think it's going to shorten up pretty quick.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Well, listen, some great stuff. Check out the company there, the Spirit Bear Coffee. They're awesome. And we really, really endorse their coffee.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, guys. It was great doing this review for you. we will be back again next week with another review. Got more great coffees coming up. Thank you very much.
Oh, you're very welcome.
Bye.
Enjoy your coffee.
It's the last one. Bye.